Hey everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. And let me show you this 2016 Ford F-150 SuperCrew XLT 4x4 with a 3.5 liter EcoBoost. This truck here has 90,000 miles. I bought it from a private local party. We had it independently inspected. It went through our shop. It passed with flying colors. We just put brand new tires on it. Brand new glass. Look at that. Seating for 6 with a power bench seat. Air cruise tilt, windows, locks, 4x4 tow brake, Bluetooth, steering wheel controls. 5.5 foot box with liner, tow package. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That is good nationwide. You can upgrade it really reasonably. But yeah, this truck is nice and clean. Again, brand new rubber, tow package, 3.5 EcoBoost, 4x4, local. I bought it from the seller. See it here at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. We're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.